everybody, the fox back in here. It's still bright as fuck. Change of scenery. I'm home alone. Weird. Why does it keep doing that? Phone. Ugh. One minute. That's what I did. A little bit darker. I have fire. You can see its flames. And I have thoughts. You can see it's empty. Yeah, I don't have anybody to talk to. This is what I do when I don't have anybody to talk to and I'm home alone. Propped up in the kitchen. Oh shit. Why? Why is it so fucking bright? What the fuck? This is probably a bad idea. And I want to state, the child lock on the lighter on the lighter. It's doing nothing to stop me. I'm 13. I'm not a child. I've been doing this all day and decided this could make a good video. Gives me more reason to fear my mother finding my channel, but let's make a pact right now. You want more content from me? You don't tell my mother. But I wonder. Yeah, you can see me. You can even see the fire better. Fuck, my hand hurts. There we go. I want to state, because there are people out there who are not in my same state, but I'm friends with. Nothing. But anyway, I want to state, some people I'm friends with are not in my state, but I have contact with them. You people know who you are if you're watching, which I doubt, honestly. But if somebody who knows the people I'm friends with outside of my state, I would prefer you not to hurt them in any way. I'm just saying that I'm not saying this actually happened. I'm not saying it doesn't happen. It's up to you whether you believe someone I'm friends with out of my state is getting hurt. But I'm not confirming nor denying it. I'm more denying it, but you know, it really burns. I'm setting this whole thing up, so I could say it. Having some trouble with my fire. You know what? I'm gonna go. My